Okay, guys, so this is a market crash warning number one, guys. February 28th. So could the crash actually happen on February 29th? Well, we know the beginning of the crash begins today because, well, sometimes it pays to pay attention to different sectors of the market, such as this lightning fast Bitcoin collapse, 5,000 points lower in less than 4 minutes, okay? When the magnitude to the downside, after something goes exponentially higher every fucking day, finally does this. I mean, this would be very comparable to what SMCI did when it was hitting 1,080 and we shorted that, guys. So what I'm saying is, this could be a domino effect. It starts with Bitcoin setting the top today, February 28th, 64,990. Okay, it's going to give up about 17 to 20,000 points lower from here. I know it sounds crazy because the whole fucking world, they can't see nothing but a green candle on Bitcoin until what? Until they see a fucking red candle. And the same thing with the market, right? It looks like it's not dropping until you walk in and shit is just collapsing. So we're on the verge of a fucking collapse in the market right now, guys. It is not yet apparent to the rest of the market participants. So this is the moment you put some big, heavy positions before the rest of the market realizes, well, shit, it's time to buy puts. Well, we didn't get Leo's video on the 28th. Shit, that's what they're going to be thinking tomorrow when everything is going to be red. Bitcoin will be red. The market is going to be red. Everything's going to be fucking red. And then people will start thinking about it. But by that moment, you could be collecting some profits on shit that's about to drop. So you heard it first at Thursday Market Moves, guys. The market is in the process of rolling over. So it is not yet apparent to everyone that the market is about to roll over. But based on everything we keep track of here at Thursday Market Moves, the rollover could begin today, okay, in some other sectors. Okay, and it could escalate to something similar to what you've seen on Bitcoin today. The market could do that tomorrow on February 29th, but you got to establish your positions on today. Got top 3 trades on our radar for the top 3 shorts for the course of the next 72 hours. Give us a call here at 13 Market Moves by going to 13mm TV, click the big orange button. Market is about to crash. Learn how to make money when market drops. Let's roll.
First, distract target. Then block his blind jab. Counter with cross to left cheek. Discombobulate. Dazed, will attempt wild haymaker. Employ elbow block. And body shot. Block ferrule left. Weaken right jaw. Now fracture. Break cracked ribs. Traumatize solar plexus. Dislocate jaw entirely.